What's up, guys? Jose here, coming at you with the second part of the story for the Bullitt. I got Dave here with me. Say what's up, Dave.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
First of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone who commented on what Dave should do, how we should do this. It actually helped a lot. And what I'd like to talk to Dave is kind of his impressions, what's going on with him as far as with the car and what he did.
So when I went to purchase the car, out of excitement and not knowing that I had to ask about it, went ahead and purchased this car. And then about a week later, based on some feedback, when I went to get it helped out and cleaned up by a local individual here in Germany, I found out the car had damage. Actually, the previous owner had contacted me and stated that it had damage. So what I went and did after that, I started contacting and asking questions about this car, and through it all, it finally came out that this car had quite a bit of damage, 7,100 euros of damage. Now, I am not advocating mass. I'm not going against mass. They did wrong, and based on your guys' feedback on some of the stuff that happened with you, some guys that's still stationed here out at Ansbach and the local community, I was able to go into mass with a pretty good understanding of what's already happened. So based on that, we went over a few scenarios, and mass, they really did realize they had made a mistake. And based on that, they decided to go ahead and they offered me a couple scenarios, whether one, buying the car back, or two, giving me a lump sum of cash for the inconvenience that it gave. So they gave us a couple scenarios, and I ended up keeping the car, but they also guaranteed some of the stuff on it. What we'll do, we'll look at what the actual damage happened here and what we were working for. The whole deck lid, the bumper, and the left wheel had been replaced. So what I did is, based on all that stuff, based on some of the local laws, and then obviously the American consumer laws, we came to a deal where they paid me out for the damages and for the lost time. Would I buy from mass again? Absolutely not. But what they did do, they did make it right, or tried to make it right. And for that, I do have to say thank you for mass. But other than that, if you do buy from mass, I would definitely challenge every one of you to ask the question, even if it's a new car, has it been damaged? Because it might save you a lot of time in the end. So again, guys, I just want to thank everyone that responded to the video, that shared the video, that got this situation out there. So again, I want to thank Jose and his V8 channel for the Autobahn here in Germany for getting my name out there and letting me be a part of his channel.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to recap my conversation that I had with Dave and what you just saw. Dave gave them 3 ultimatums. So a lot of that actually came from you guys who commented on the video and gave us a little bit of feedback on what you think we should do. I also got a lot of private messages on information that I passed on to Dave, so thank you guys very much. It's exactly what I wanted for this channel, is for everyone to come together and help each other out. So basically, the 3 ultimatums that Dave gave them, just like Dave said, was the first one being that they buy the car back. They buy the car back, they pay for his ceramic coating, they pay for his tint, whatever he had to put into the car. The second ultimatum was that they give him some money back and he gets to keep the car. The third ultimatum would be that they take the car back and they give him credit towards another car, which in this case would have been the GT350, which is what he wanted. So after a little bit of back and forth, they actually ended up deciding on giving him $10,000 cash back on the vehicle. And also, they gave him a 7-year extended Ford factory warranty that covers everything bumper to bumper. Yeah, every car comes with a little bit here and there, but if he gets $10K back on a 2019 Bullitt, we're talking about a really good deal, especially when those Bullets are being marked up anywhere between 8 to 15K in the States. So let me know if you guys think that Dave got a good deal. If you think he could have gotten a better deal, go ahead and post a comment below, let us know, and maybe we can put that into a future video. I want to thank everyone who subscribed, who commented on the videos so far. I'm humbled and thankful for all you guys, for your support. I really hope that you continue to watch my videos, like them, subscribe, share them, that way other people can subscribe too. There's not a lot of us doing this out here in Germany, especially us Americans that are abroad and live here in Germany. Ultimate goal of this is to actually bring all this information to you guys and actually have you guys comment and let us know what you want to see. Let's do a poll. As we say here in Germany, tschüss.